Hi there and welcome to the channel, and thank you very much for coming out and joining us today. I hope you've enjoyed the walk in here. I'm sure you'll agree we are in an absolutely beautiful, spectacular woodland. It's a place we really enjoy. Myself, Claire and Bramble are all out today doing an overnight camp. Claire's busy there pottering away getting firewood already. Bramble's just milling about. We've got Bramble down here. Since we were last here, we've made a few changes to camp. We're at our woodland base camp. We've altered the shelter a little bit. We've created a bit more of a canopy over the structure. If you remember, if you've seen previous videos, that was the original shelter going down there, and we've added this to give us a bit of shelter in case we get wet weather in front of the fire. As I said, this is a woodland permission. It's a permission base camp, and we've done a little bit of work to the fire. We're raising this up a touch more. We plan to do so just a little bit more on that side with rocks. We've put these spikes in the fireplace, and we've got a grid there for cooking. And we'll take a little look over to where we're set up. Myself and Bramble are going to spend the night in the Dutch Army tent. We're just along here. So this is my setup, mine and Bramble's. So I'm looking forward, it'll be the first night in here, so I'm looking forward to that. I've got the British Arctic sleeping bag, and Bramble's got goodies tucked away in that sleeping bag. And she's eagerly trying to find them. I've got the Euro Hike camping cot. So that's my bed. And then Claire has got the 3x3 DD tarp with the DD Frontline hammock, the DD under blanket and the Arctic bag. So I'm going to go and give Claire some help, get some firewood prepped and get some food on the go, because it's getting to that time of the day where we're getting hungry. You feeling hungry, Claire?
Yeah,
as always. Right, we're going to get some grub on. Well, we've gathered and prepared all the firewood we think we're going to need for tonight, and now we're just going to relax in front of the fire and get ourselves a well-earned can of beer. So, cheers everybody.
cheers. I deserve this.
You do. You've done well today, even getting here. Right, delicious.
Cheers.
Right, that's us got tea on tonight. We've got a couple big, thick, juicy steaks. We've got some parboiled potatoes finished off with some Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper, and a bit of olive oil and butter. And then we've got some onions, mushrooms, and cloves of garlic in there. And marinating the cook with a beer. Cheers. That's tea cooked. Now that looks absolutely amazing. Let's try this now. We'll start with the potatoes, I think. You tried your potatoes?
Mm.
What they're like?
Delicious. So delicious. Gorgeous.
Mushrooms and onions. Absolutely fantastic. Let's try this steak. Oh, that's amazing. Looks delicious. Steak is absolutely fantastic. Excuse me. Right, we're going to carry on enjoying this, and we'll get back to you when we're done. Want to try some?
No thanks. I've got the red wine.
Come away, you.
Bramble though.
You're not getting any. Not for you. Very nice. Nice and warming. Right, thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching so far. We're going to call it a night, and we're going to sit and chill and relax by the fire and just enjoy a little bit of quality time together, and see how Bramble gets on her first ever camp.
I know, yeah.
It's been good so far, hasn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so cheers everybody,
Cheers.
and good night, and we'll get back to you in the morning.
God bless.
Morning. It's around 9 o'clock. I slept reasonably well. Woke up a couple of times. This bed's on a bit of a slope, and a couple of times I got tipped out, and then I ended up getting cramp in my leg. Not drinking enough water, so lesson learnt. Early hours, Bramble got in the sleeping bag with us, and it's been toasty warm, and she's still laying out just there. We're just enjoying the view. We off out Bramble. Check out that view out there.
Morning, Claire.
Morning.
Did you sleep all right? Huh?
Very good.
Were you yawning then? God, how beautiful is it this morning?
I know.
It's amazing, isn't it? Bramble's up and about. Aren't you, girl? Huh? You want to see your mum? Where's your mum? Hey, where is she? How cute's that dog? How cute's that dog? Well, I'm impressed with the Dutch Army tent and me little camping bed. Oh shit! Apart from it's a bit on a slope and it nearly tips me out. Oh, that view's just amazing. Should we get a fire going soon, Claire, and get a brew made?
Yeah.
You ready for a cuppa? Yeah. Right then, guys. Thank you very much for watching. That's us making our way out of camp, and it's been fantastic, hasn't it? It's been that, it really has, hasn't it? Yeah. Bramble seems to have enjoyed her first camp. Claire found it highly amusing that my bed tipped up and I ended up with cramp in my leg through the night. She thinks that's highly funny, don't you? Huh? Yeah, well, we'll get Claire crossing the stream. Right, thanks once again. If you're new around here, please hit that subscribe button. If you've enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up. We would really appreciate it, and it helps the channel grow. Right, just get up here. Right, made it. Right, we're going to head back now and we'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Take care and take care and bye.